हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूनिक स्ट्रोक। सो आज हम डॉट मंडाला लर्निंग सीरीज एपिसोड 12 में अपना पेस्टल शेड का मंडाला कंटिन्यू करेंगे, जो कि 36 इंच का है। सो लास्ट क्लास में हमने सेंटर में फ्लावर एक क्रिएट किया था। अभी इसके बाद का नेक्स्ट पैटर्न में हम लोग थोड़ा थिक टूल से, मीडियम टूल से हम सिंपल डॉट्स बना रहे हैं, जो कि मैंने ऑफ वाइट कलर में स्टार्ट किया है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें पूरा प्रॉपर डॉट्स, जो डॉट्स हैं, डॉट्स का साइज सिमिलर रहेगा। और उसके बाद हमें थिनर टूल के साथ इन बिटवीन ऑफ डॉट एक एक स्मॉल डॉट लगानी है, जो कि अपर साइड और लोअर साइड दोनों में रहेगी। Mandala is meditative art form, so it always relaxes you. So if you feel sometime very low or depressed or stressed for some other reason, you can try this art form. See, meditation is also a way, but meditation is not like easy to sit and calm down yourself by own. But if you make yourself busy in other things, but especially in any art form which really relax you, because see, mandala need concentration. When we concentrate on one thing, automatically our stress level will release. So it's my personal experience also. Whenever I am feeling low or stressed, I try to do this art only. It relaxes me like anything. So I also recommend this art form to you. So further, we can go further for our design. After creating a center circle, we need to make small circle for the reference, because we are going to create this type of flower. So we need the symmetry in that. For that you need to make a circle. You can choose any round object and create that circle. In distance between of two circles should be same, so you have to count the grid line and then accordingly make the circle. So I have created here 6 circles. In each circle, the pastel shade, single pastel shade I am using to create that flower. So for making that flower, that will be like same technique. You have to make a dot with the bigger tool, and then with the smallest tool you have to drag towards the center. Then you are able to create that flower. Colors are very nice, very soothing. It give like soothing look to our eyes. So I hope you like this mandala. You will complete this mandala with me. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet again in next part, where we will going to complete further with these shades only. Bye bye.